I don't know what this is. Damn, it's all Yeezys. Hold up. What?
Oh, yeah.
I ain't even asked for no Yeezys. You see a scooter? You want to ride? You ain't even see nothing else. I don't want to ride it. You don't want to open your stuff now? How you know that was your stuff? What's that?
I can't open it.
You didn't open it?
I opened it. Play-Doh.
It's Play-Doh? This is ready. Good. Christian opening his. What you got, Christian? Okay, it smells good. I think that's Diddy's. Was it Unforgivable? Yeah, it smells good. Oh, turn it around. What color is Mickey? What color is Minnie? Turn her around. You don't like her?
The woman was too stunned to speak.
What's that? Christian got Under Armour, Paw Patrol.
No, Chase got all here.
Chase is right there. He right there. Okay, Christian got the Under Armour. Lonnie got the Paw Patrol. We're going to show all the gifts at the end because you see how they opening it. Okay. Blue's Clues. Come show me when you get a chance. Okay, what Christian got? What's it? Oh, Dove. It's the Dove Men. Okay. I knew it smelled good. Lonnie, what you got? You gotta keep going. Goofy. Now you got Minnie, Mickey, Goofy.
Oh, they from me, Lonnie.
They your shoes? You like them?
I like that.
Oh, okay. They cute. Wait, don't try them on yet. Finish opening your gifts. What could you get?
But Yeezy?
Oh, let it use.
Oh, what did you use?
Okay. Honey had to throw her shoes out on the floor like this.
Look!
Oh, you got some slime? Let Christian open it. Making sure they ain't got the address on it. Okay, you got the slime kit? Waiting on Christian to see what he got.
You can't see it.
Who that is? What is it?
Poppy.
Poppy what?
Poppy and Wax.
Drums. It's the drum set. You like it? You got guitar now and the drum set. Let me see him. Not the back-to-back use.
Not the back end.
He opened
ain't
it.
even seen these before.
What? I'm sure I've seen these sellers. She showed me when she
You
ordered
ain't
them.
even seen it before.
I did.
There's a potato sack.
But guess what he is? A pirate.
Yeah.
Arr. Arr. Oh, you ain't opened the big present. Christian got clothes. Oh, clothes.
Look at that.
All the clothes.
Look
Christian
at
got
that.
all of that.
Whoa, Christian. Whoa.
Lonnie, what that is? What is that? What is it? What is? Oh, what is it?
It's a
What
food
is it, Lonnie?
toy.
Whoa.
It's a food toy. It's big.
Oh, wow.
Santa can got you all the stuff. That's nice. He got you all these pictures of what? This one. Open it. What's that? What's that, Lonnie? It's big. Look, he's big as you. There's a snake in my boot. He kicked himself. What's that? Oh, okay. It's a football. Yeah. Wait a minute. Whoa. Stop kicking. Here. You're gonna love this one. Here.
Get that one, Lonnie.
That's the one you want. Look who that is, Kalani. Yay! Now you got Catboy and Outlet. You got so much more to go.
Yeah. Girl, it's so red. I don't want to go no further.
What you got, mamas? What's that? Oh, that's a car. Okay. Okay, mamas.
All right, wait.
Open it. Oh, my bad. What is it?
It's a folded ball.
A bowling set. Christian got all the clothes. Okay.
Christian, open your other present.
That's what that say. I know you know what that is. PJ Masks earphones for your iPad. You like them?
Yeah.
They cute.
Now we both
Yeah.
got it.
It's not. It's lip gloss. This is your robot. Your blue robot. Did you open this? No.
After all of this, what is that?
Open it. Open this low. It's not. Open it.
Earphones. What could this be, Christian?
I gotta see it open. It's eyeshadow. It's got all the colors. Christian, don't, Kalani, don't, Oh, we gotta see him open this.
What is
We
it?
got- What is it?
What is it, Shorty? It's a MacBook. Damn! 15.9,
It's
Shorty.
huge.
You have the big dog. I need
The hoodie nice. Lonnie, what you got? Ooh!
And it's big.
Oh, you want to do the big box? You gonna like the big box, Lonnie? Ooh, what's that? You like it? What's that? Mickey's fire truck. It make noise too. Look. What's that? A Mickey book? You see the Mickey book? It's Mickey and Minnie. Okay, go with. Oh, make bracelets and stuff. No, it's this how you make. They show you how to make the bracelets, so you can wear them. You can make all blue. You can make red, purple.
No, one big purple, one big blue and red.
Oh, okay.
I did not say about that pose.
Who's that? Kind of.
I
Oh,
washed it.
huh?
I already washed it.
Yeah, but it's the doll. She talked. Look.
Never fire truck. I never fire truck, Mommy.
I see it.
Let me put it here with the Mickey Mouse fire truck.
Okay.
This ladder lifts up. This ladder lifts up.
But both of the legends lift up. They're just tired. All right, I'm opening my stall.
Alright, it's Lex's turn.
Finally,
You're a
man.
princess. You got a knife?
No, I need a knife.
You gonna need a knife too.
I'm ready to open something. What is it? I was just in the store with you. I said she is not buying this for herself. Okay. I always love a good washing conditioner. This from Christian. I know this is my perfume. Okay, with them Mason Margiela. I got the big bottle finally because I had the little $30 bottle forever.
$70.
I know. That's how much the Sauvage costs. Okay. Who this from, Mom? This is Mom. What is it, Mom? What is this? Hair removal.
I didn't see it.
Hair removal cream. I need some of this. I like all the bad stuff. I know I'm getting old. Another pair of heels. I definitely ain't got to buy no shoes. Yeah, right. I already see the Cinderellas. We call these the Cinderellas. What's in this box? Is this an iPhone? Because I would just pass out. She said she said you wish. I don't need a knife. I had to open this down because what's this? Perfume? I was just talking about this like 3 days ago. What do this smell like?
Carolina Herrera.
Mom. Dang, I just told you about this like a week ago.
Big
What the
dog.
hell? I have to open this. I just be seeing everybody talk about this daggone perfume. I used to smell.
I hate this perfume.
Oh my God, you did. I remember this scent. I'm opening this one, y'all. Dang, everything I got open with a knife, y'all. Hold on. Thank you. Ooh, what is all of this? Stop playing with me, y'all. The Morphe, I don't even know what it is. Baking satin powder.
Look.
I was just talking about. Damn, what you went yesterday?
Banana rich. They said it's
I'm
like
rich.
it's
Stop
like
playing
the
with me.
Sashi Buttercup. They was all out, but she said this is just like it.
Damn, didn't I just have this conversation? It's been like deja vu. Didn't I just was talking about all this like 2 days ago? I literally was just talking about this. The Anastasia. Let me see her. Let me see the girl. Hold up. Okay. Damn, I was just about to say I'm ready to go to the store and get some foundation. I better do. 3 things cost me $100 out there. More power to you, girl. The benefit, okay. I think I ain't never had this, but I swear I seen you with it. I was seeing you with this some box that looked just like this. I thought you said this ain't come. You just play so much. How you gonna indirectly tell me what you got me? I wasn't thinking too much of it. She told me this one coming on Monday. Yeah. I don't know what this is. Damn, it's all Yeezys. Hold up. What?
Yeah.
I ain't even asked for no Yeezys.
She told me she got you though.
Damn, what these is? Mom, what these is? Stop playing, stop playing. Was these for me the whole time? Christian, she sit here and play. She sit here and play in my face talking about, oh wait, she's about Christian. I got these for Christian. I'm sitting here picking them out low key.
Here we go. Close your eyes.
What is it? What is it?
You wanna close your eyes?
What is it? I get that candy. What is it?
Look at this. Merry Christmas, love.
What is this? Is it an iPad? What is it? What is it? What is it? I can't even open it.
Hold up.
It's some Apple. I don't know what it is. Oh, no, this ain't no iPad.
2021.
Oh my God.
2021, baby.
Oh, talk to me nice or don't.
Generation 5.
I'm so glad I ain't buy Apple Pencil because let me tell you something.
Now I was laughing on my ears, though.
Ma, what is this? Come on now. You could have stopped right here. the right one. Ah! What is this? What is this?
That's
It's a
the
case.
Generation 5, baby. Look at it. 12.9. Nah, it's light. It's
It's
lightweight.
huge. My nephew's an iPad.
Yes, I do. And I have a MacBook.
Okay.
No,
I think
wait a minute.
this is my favorite Christmas. I say that every year. It just get better. It's like when you think it can't get no better, it just get better. Is this mine?
Yeah. From Christian.
I love it though. I love these masks. I'm crying. I'm opening this. Is this another pair of shoes? No, it's not. What is this? Big box. These is 5. They are so cute.
Mommy's paper was what?
That's hard.
Wrapping paper is blue.
Oh, my wrapping paper blue. I know. Santa gave me your favorite color. Something I need to open with a giveaway. Oh, for Walmart. That's
Go
cute.
with your tennis.
That's cute. Ah, I got a new MacBook. Ah!
I got
That's why you said I got a new Mac. And it's a Pro, baby. I'm getting a case for this one, though. I was low-key thinking when you said, and I got a new MacBook. I was like, what she mean she got a new MacBook? Yo, that's the new one, too. I can tell by the charger. Yeah, that's my old MacBook, only 8. This is, you said 116?
128.
I never run up. This is for editing per school. We had a good crap.
Watch your
Come here.
present, Mommy.
What's in it? There's nothing in it.
Just kidding. That's your present over there. I put over there.
This was just the finale.
That's just how I went out the door.
That was the best. This is where we stopped.